Gonna put up the tree. Help me. Anna, say hi. Come on. Hi na na. Hi. Hi. Oh, na hi. Minsan ka. Minsan ako dahil. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. So for today's video guys, we're putting up our Christmas tree. So we have a special guest for today. We have Ethan and my sister. So they're gonna help me to put up our Christmas tree for the year 2025. And I'm sorry guys if I haven't posted any videos for the past 6 months because I'm so very busy with my life, and right now I'm working guys. So from time to time I already promised that I gonna post a video, but I did not make it, so I'm so sorry. But this time guys, I have another equipment, so hopefully I can make it like 2 or 3 videos a week hopefully. So let's see guys. So this is our Christmas tree. So this tree is 2 years na guys. So this is my second Christmas tree that I make it in my own. So this time Laura May will help me. Last year Mary was the one who helped me put up the tree guys. So let's see what we can make it, and I hope also all the tools and the decorations are still intact, because we move out to another place, so there's a lot of scattered everywhere. So hopefully it's all complete this time guys. So let's make it from the bottom, and then Dorami is not really helping, I know. She's just posing guys on the camera. It's a Filipino thing guys. Filipina loves to post, or you know so this is it guys. So I hope you're gonna like this video guys, and anyways, to those who have not yet subscribed, please to subscribe guys, to help my algorithm, and then like, share, and comment to this video guys. So hopefully this will be a good Christmas tree, because I think I was looking for something, but I hope I will find it guys. The star on the top, I keep looking it for how many days, so I hope I can find it. So we will have a very nice Christmas tree for this year, and then it is very nice because I share it with you guys. So here it is, the balls guys. I think the same balls we're gonna have last year until now. So I think I have green and red. Green, no, I mean gold and red. So still the same, guys. Nothing else that's not, the same. So I'm hoping that you will like this video, guys. So it's kind of like a simple Christmas tree. So I'm so sorry of the background, guys, kasi I'm so very busy. Honestly, that's why I did not keep posted videos on my YouTube channel. I'm no longer updated because I'm so busy with my work, busy with my personal life, and doing the household chores, and then doctor's appointment, and lot of things, guys. So I hope that I can make it what I promised to you guys. So ito na guys, si Ethan ay tumutulong na sa atin guys. So, hopefully, he can put up some balls on the tree guys. So, ayan na guys. Inaano na ni Ethan yung mga balls sa tree. Hopefully, hindi niya mabasag yung mga balls guys. I think Laura May doesn't know how to put up a tree. Look at her. She just keeps staring at the tree. Only Ethan trying to trying to help. I gonna make this video guys as English and Tagalog. Okay, so since I'm a Cebuana, I'll speak into Tagalog guys. So para maintindihan nyo naman guys, kasi pag nagsalita ako ng Cebuano, medyo hindi makakaintindi yung iba kasi mostly my viewers here are foreigner mostly lang. So I gonna make it into Taglish, Tagalog and English guys. So hoping na maintindihan niyo so you can understand what I did say. So hopefully maintindihan lang ninyo guys. So ito na guys, ito na yung light na I think this light has two. I bought two separate lights guys, but the same brand, so I guess it will cooperate to each other guys. So this is it. It's very long guys. I think 6 meter each carton of lights. So yeah, this is it guys. The light is very important. The most important part of the Christmas tree, because we light our tree during the night. Without a light, it's not a tree anymore, right? It's just it's a tree but no light. You see what I'm saying? So that's it. Sorry for the battle of jugs, guys. So, I'm not yet finished here. I just put up the tree and later we're gonna clear it out. So because I gonna pull out the tree near the window so someone can see the Christmas tree when they're coming upstairs, because we are in the second floor. So yeah, and then we will keep lighting our tree guys. So someone will see a tree and they'll say, "Oh, it's Christmas time in the Philippines." By the way, guys, Christmas time in the Philippines start on September. Burr, like that. September, October, November until December. That's Christmas time here. So you can hear carolings on the street and Christmas songs on each houses. And some will put up their tree the same way I put up my tree around September. So it's a long months to go before Christmas. So that's how we celebrate Christmas here. And then also you can see lights all over the houses, outside their fences like that. In short, decoration for Christmas, paroles, like lanterns like that. They put up, some also put up lanterns around the streets or the sidewalk like that. So it depends guys on where you live, because sometimes there are no lights in the streets unless you're in the city, but not all in the city also have lights guys. So it depends on the mayor if he's on the Christmas, like he wants Christmas lights or whatsoever, to the spirit of Christmas. So it's very important that we can feel the spirit of Christmas. So I hope that you will not forget to watch this video, share, like, and comment down below, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have also a Facebook page which is Cebuana Laura, guys. So keep following my social media accounts. I also have TikTok, Cebuana Laura. and yeah, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook account, guys. The same, Cebuana Laura. So this is it, guys. We're almost done. So this is the last part na, guys. Our our lights na, and then some gold color balls. And Ethan is trying to put up some balls right now. I think